I'm lonely. Are you? It can be ever so difficult to keep motivated, can't it? Well, I've found some solutions to the problem. We can all feel lonely sometimes, but right now in May 2020, I'm really noticing that groups of people are finding it increasingly difficult to cope with isolation. So I'm going to do something about that. First of all, I've very often been lonely in my life, so I'm a bit of an expert there. Take my word for it. And here I am, still smiling. So think on this. This is temporary and we can fix it. So I'm going to suggest, first of all, that you keep to a regular daytime schedule. This is very important. You need to have enough sunlight in your brain. Trust me, there is one in there. All of us have one. And keep to a regular-ish evening routine. So I'm not saying always go to bed at 11 or go to bed at 1, but keep it, within a limits. And when you are in bed, in your full makeup, just like me, obviously, then make sure the mobile phone and computers and gadgets are out of the room, because they emit a blue light and that disturbs your brain for sleep. I'd also suggest that you look at the news only in limited quantities. Personally, I have a look for half an hour in the morning, so I keep aware of things, and then I just put it out of my mind because it's too difficult otherwise. And I think you get the idea now that I also find lots of things to do. So I'm going to suggest, if you've had a disruption to your usual schedule, that you find lots of interesting new things to keep the old noggin going. There's online courses, Zoom parties, making films. I've been cooking new recipes. I do like a bit of gardening. Now and then, I even try the housework. The main point is you need to give yourself purpose and focus, but don't set yourself a schedule. Don't give yourself a timeline. Just write a list, and depending on how you're feeling, it could be a little thing like getting dressed, having a bath, other way round, or big things like achieving a goal that you've always meant to do. Take this moment as a tremendous opportunity to do something for yourself. It might seem upside down, but you can even be lonely amongst people. I do understand. Look after yourself and be kind to yourself. Eat well, treat yourself with kindness, and forgive yourself if you don't always do a perfect job. Loneliness is insidious. It's such a harmful, negative emotion, isn't it? So reach out to somebody like I'm reaching out to you. Loves. Reach out to somebody today and don't be lonely. Abracadabra. As I say it, let's make it happen. I know my life just smiled at me, and I'm smiling at you. You know I like everything I see. The rhythm of this moment is my heart's beat, and my heart is singing with all that I feel. We all fall down. We all fall down. Yeah, we all fall down. That's okay. Okay. Sometimes your friends are there and you haven't noticed.